is Shania.
Good morning, guys. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I hope you're having a good day, or I hope you're gonna have a good day. Today we are doing a lot of things. Not a lot of things, but we're going out. I got my little cousins. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Do you want to introduce yourself? Who's this?
Hi, I'm Rizan.
And?
Hi, Anch. My name is Shania.
And these are my babies. So right now we're just waiting. Ah, that's a cool car. Look at the car. Can you see it? It's pink and it's got flames on it. Wait for it. Hey. Racer car.
Come on, pink car, you can win. That pink car is really fast.
It's really fast?
It's faster than the bus.
That's true. We're just gonna go about. They don't know what we're doing yet, so they're gonna find out once we get there. How was it? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah. What did you do?
We danced some spinning.
Wait, you have oranges on your face.
We danced some dancing.
Yeah. Lisiane, did you have fun? What did you do?
I was doing dancing too.
Yeah. You excited to come back next week?
Yes.
Yeah. I didn't really vlog inside because there's like bare other kids and, you know, kids in like protection and stuff, but I have a little video of them two doing a little two-step. It's like cats, so if you have any kids, any cousins, and it's like from teenagers as well, like young kids, high school people, school people. It was fun. Just teaching some kids some choreo and doing a little bit of gymnastics and stuff like that. Literally, see here on this, like I can do monkey bars now, and I was using that like bars because I've not done bar in ages. Because if you didn't know, I am a gymnast, an ex-gymnast. I wasn't the best gymnast, right? I was an alright gymnast, but I'm a gymnast still. Like, I used to not be able to do that stuff. And like this, I can never get a kip, but that's a really high bar. Probably should try doing a kip on that, but yeah. I was always so bad at keeping my grip on bar. Bar was like my worst thing. I was good at floor routines, being a base, lifting people up.
A few moments later.
Can we take a minute to just look at the way that the melanin is tantalizing my... What? The sun is tantalizing my melanin? Yes. Okay. But we're here now. It's in there. We're in town, head, village, whatever it's called. I'm not too sure. But there's bare music that's playing in there. You can probably hear it in the back. So I don't really want to get copyrighted. I'm trying not to do that because YouTube has so many rules. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna just do little montages of this whole time that we're there. So please enjoy the montage and listen to Just Easy because he's the one that I put in the back of all my music. Baby.
Three days later.
I'm in the studio. I've not been to the studio in so long. Sticky, you wanna say hi? Say hello to the vlog.
The vlog wanna say hi to me?
Yeah.
Say,
okay, yeah.
Hi back.
Y'all, they've been doing a lot in here. They like, if you don't know Fusion Studios, come through because we got some customs, we got music, anything you want, anything you want. So what you been working on, Sticky? Tell them what you've been working on.
I'm not even working, I'm experimenting.
Experimenting,
yes, call me
okay.
Dr. Sticky. Yo man, that's me.
Facts. He makes all his paints, not all the paints, but he makes a lot of his paints himself.
He's going up to some customizer.
Customizer.
Get that address, get that address.
No, I'm not showing somebody's address on YouTube. Are you dumb? But it's going to France.
No, it's a shop.
Oh, it's a shop?
It's a shop.
Oh, I thought it was somebody's address. I'm like, bro.
It's in Paris. It's called
Paris.
I will hide the name, but her business is Sneaker Shine.
Sneaker Shine.
Sneaker Shine. Yeah, it's here somewhere. Yeah. She does shoe repairs and shoe cleaning and does customizing as well. So I said to her, okay, I'll give you something for the kids, you know what I mean? Can do all the color changing for the kids for the summertime.
The wheels.
And yeah, everybody can do. Even the adults, you know what I mean? I got you, If you're a Niger man, I got you too. You get me?
That's the experiment shoes. Right now, it's got half and half. Can y'all see kind of, it looks a little bit different, you see? Because there's a little bit of, there's something on it.
Yeah, it's still warm though.
But
it's to cool down fully.
Hold up. Once we put the next coat on, I'm sure y'all.
You'll see what's going on, man.
Let's go see Panache. Right now they're renovating, spring cleaning the studio. But let's go see Panache, show y'all the music studio upstairs. So that was where the customs are for Sticky. Panache is up here. Introduce yourself.
What up? I'm Panache. This is Fusion Studios. I'm an artist, producer. It's my girl Patsy. So just shouting at the blog. She's in the studio, she just likes to swing by now and again just to say what's up. Yeah. So yeah, we just do a bit of cleaning. Just making everything fresh for you guys that come through. So that's just chill in the studio. This is where
this is where the magic happens.
It all goes down. Yeah,
the vibes, you got the keyboard, we got the, y'all know. So if you're into music, you ever want to go to the studio,
you come through, hit me up. You can get me at Real Panache, and that's on Instagram. And then you can find all the music we're releasing. FusionStudios.gla, come through, book, check it out. We're here.
There's also an in-house sound engineer, so if you need any of that,
all that shit,
But yeah, this is the studio. So if you guys are ever looking for it, I'll put all the details in the description anyway. But got some cool people around me. Some pretty cool people.